Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy. Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy. Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got something. It's made in South Korea. This is definitely packaged for sale in the United States, so that's what it'll say on the review post. But this is Samyang Foods Kimchi Ramen. Ramen. Yes. And, yeah. Join me, won't you? Yeah. One sachet. Drop it in the noodles. Had to bust them in half to fit them in the thing, but it's alright. And I spilled some of the crumbs on the floor. Great way to start the week. And, yeah, 4 minutes on the burn. So, what's happening with all of you wonderful, kind people? It's been an interesting few days, that's for sure. It sounded like there was a army of mercenaries headed to go take out Vladimir Putin, but I guess that kind of fizzled out. I don't know. They're mercenaries, right? They're called the Wagner Group. Da, 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 da. Anyways, they it just said they turned back. My guess is, what is a mercenary? It's like a hired gun. So I'm guessing they got paid off. How about $10 million? You can turn around. How about $40 million? Done! Boom. Troublesomeness done. Anything to keep. But they're going to go, and the head guy, I guess, is going to be in exile in Belarus, and the ex-CIA detector, or director, what's his name, Petraeus? I think that guy, like, screwed up. There was, like, some stuff with him. But anyways, he said, yeah, that guy better not stand next to any open windows for a while, because people that are not friendly with Putin tend to disappear or die from mysterious circumstances. So that's why I give Vladimir Putin a big thumbs up, because, yeah, I don't want to get offed. So, I don't know. Nothing can be proven. So, anyways, yeah, it's kind of cloudy right now, but we're supposed to have some pretty sweet weather for the next few days. So, we're going to be taking the kids out to do stuff. I don't know if you can tell, but we are minus one family member. Our beloved dog Pepper got a new home on Saturday. Yeah, I miss her. Sounds like the people that got her are really stoked, and she's got a whole backyard. That's just like totally what I wanted that dog to have. It's just like, she's just too big for here. I think for this apartment, I mean, we've got people around here that have absolutely enormous dogs. Like, there's a guy who walks around this German Shepherd that's a freaking tank. And not only that, he's kind of like a skinny guy, and that dog will freak out when he's got him on leash. And it's like, you can tell that guy barely can keep control of it. So one of these days, it's gonna eat somebody. That's my wife thinks that. Hopefully not. But I don't know, it used to be you could only have pets up to a certain size in these apartments, and then all of a sudden all bets are off. Do whatever you want. Dog. But it's like, you're not supposed to have certain breeds. People have them anyways. Pit bulls never hurt anybody. Some don't. I've had friends who have had pits and bull terriers that are absolute docile little sweet animals, and then I've had ones that have, lost their dog because they bit somebody. So there's more, no matter what side of the argument you're on, it's stupid not to say, oh, there is a chance that those dogs will bite because they're more likely to. Just watch Judge Judy. Constantly people on there. My dog never hurt a flea. Sweetest dog. Yeah, they're still animals. You can reason yourself, and it's a shame. I think it's a shame anytime a dog gets destroyed. But what do you do? Killed. Destroyed. So this is Samyang Kimchi Ramen. And I'm going to gussy this up, but we'll do our taste flavor deal first. A sturdy noodle, a nice noodle, a clean noodle. Here's our broth. Kind of a roasty, toasty, yummy. Not as tangy as I expected, though. It's kind of, it could be a little kimchi-er. But it isn't. But I can live with that. It's good. It's a good ramen, especially if you're somebody who doesn't like spicy. And this is coming from the company that makes Bulldog, which is like, so they've been around a while. They can do it all. There we go. There we go. Adding in our that. A little bit of kimchi in there, but not a whole heck of a lot. But fear not, intrepid noodle people, because I've gotten kimchi. So I went to this place called G-Mart, which is it's on 172nd in Linwood, Washington State, north of Seattle. Got me? This is really good kimchi. It's not the store kimchi, which I was gonna get, but this was pretty cheap. And yeah, kimchi's good. I've been partaking of more, I guess you could say, more pickled things lately. Why's that, Ramen Raider guy? Why are you eating so many pickled things lately? Well, sir, I'll tell you. Or ma'am. Whatever the case may be. I've been on the whole diet thing. And pickled things are generally pretty low cal. An ounce of this stuff is like 14 calories. In fact, I've been eating lots of pickles. Because the ones I get are a whopping 0 calories. And they're quite yummy. I enjoy a good pickle. Nobody seems to have the ones that I used to have when I was a kid, though. There's a brand called Farman's. And Farman's is known as the King Pickle. And I can't find them anywhere. Well, I haven't really looked all that hard, but those were pretty good. But the ones I've been getting lately, yes, that's a raw egg. The ones I've been getting lately are these, what is it called? The Clausen ones. The Clausen ones that are in the refrigerated section. Those are good. But what's the deal with kimchi? Well, it's fermented. Not exactly pickled, but it's fermented in stuff that's will season it and flavor it very well. Oh, come on. Yeah. What language is that, Ramen Raider? Oh, I don't know. Yeah. Be nice to my chair, kid. Okay? Chair didn't do nothing. There's some... Oh, what do they like to call it? Green onion. Or at least most documentation on Korean varieties refer to it as green onion. There we go. Crushed red pepper, I say okay. Maybe a little overkill now. But this is edible. Wouldn't you eat that? Mm-hmm. You could. Yeah, if you're a fan of the whole kimchi deal, that's a good one. It looks like this. I think this is pretty darn new packaging. I'm not sure, but yeah. And next we will be doing. There it is. We're gonna be doing this. This came out of a Zen Pop snack box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a little coupon-y discount. Hey. So this is the Sanrio Ace Cook collab shoyu. They put one variety in their snack boxes, and they put a ton of different little snacks and things. But yeah, sounds good. It's like a shoyu. It's got a lot of flour food with it. And yeah, it'll be on the next episode. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.